Njasa Marieta ngoro ku Daniel Kinarungaga igo ngoro wase Kenyoreke Kenya Kiore na ande skuru ya Nyakiore Primary School no na somete yonde arumina yorro otwachire iga unachia arumina ya Nyakiore Primary School abanta bange nkwe babare chi primary abande tubwate chi group chi arumina se chi secondary chi twasomete lakini bono pinga wa primary school sina wa village igo tuiranire gocha koras twayitigete na today pinga masingira day twacha kusangana abana nestabo abalimu baito na baiboli so that tusimekemete and then twacha ko abana chisawadi bali baraiga ko atura abana chisawadi writing materials ne chisawadi chinde ko ba encourage na ko ba motivate na balimu baito esukuru yetegendere igo onale ko bolinga banta bange ngwe batore chisukuru cheito mo especially primary school cs twarule onale ko bori ora alumni bari bakubinya Kiore na abandi bakurusiko kamuranje to chamo ebindombiro konyora biganeri buna bono gi structure chinke chi toilet nyumba jiri chogo chenu nonya nukwa cha chiri prali to chamo esengenyo nyasado seniri twasokire twagache structure none ri prali buna bono ntubwate plan buna chiarumi nae kobeke structure iga yeri prali to yeri kerietari ito so that school yeita yandere kyano abana baitu bagosoma na abana bali bakori Kinyaruge yamuno sana
kabisa. Thank you. To stakeholders wande bali.
Jina ni Isabella Ururungaga, mwalimu mkuu wa shule. Leo ni siku ya kupanda miti, mazingira day, au siku ya kuweka mazingira yetu yawe safi na yafae kwa wanafunzi na wale wanaoishi karibu na shule. Wacha niseme kuna kikundi hapa kimeingia kwa shule ambalo ni alumni wale walisoma hapa zamani ambao wamekuwa wa maana na manufaa kwa support ya shule. Aswa wanafunzi ambao wanaenda kuiga mfano kwa kusoma kwa bidii ili wakae watu wa maana kwa siku zijazo. Kwa hivyo all the stakeholders, I thank you so much, the alumni, the surrounding community, the head teachers that were here in the previous years. They did great work, and we have reached a time that the infrastructure for the CPE system needs a lot of facilities like laboratory, like library, and other learning.
Itangani nkoirali bageri kwarigania bagani bonse bacha ase skuru ase nginchiri tukeriria masingira day na boigo na batangani bana bali basometega achinga kichiamagega na ende bali barubiritie murubirio yirindo ikirane elio na intutorolekane ngase kenyoro tokorwa ngokiagacha tuli itangani ase ngakie ya masingira day etwa very happy aso smekemete ange chiribubere ase ngencho yokorokia masingira day na ende muna climate challenge ya beiro ororo elio na into baba mo babo aso kurus carbon eli na intue tonyore mbengi ya yokonywa na eliti ya itebe buya itangani twasimekire mete ya matunda twasimekire mete ende yego kinere ne biriri eliye korukwa indigenous trees. We are very happy alitangani togokora kurwana ende nkwera ngambi ya mona ase bali baito bacha no masingira day yetwa yebwate ntwabwata ase ngencho yoko abana baito abanyaruka na abana bamura bonsi chisawadi kubwa mono muna sanitary twagweri chikogera abana babera siko batari gocha ase skuru elinde banyore babe comfortable kerbara ase skuru abana banyaruka nabo igasa abana bamura ntwaba ebitabu yogosoma nabo igo twabane n'ikaramu kiribago chikotumia kase ngincho yogosoma elio tokinia masomo na barabu mambia katutaka yase environment yeye baje kutunza matingira chetu abaruki
kabisa chairman.
Thank you so much. Ebintebi igotwabi ebyachangwa kurwase abana balia basometa asichinga kichamaega
okay buya kema
na ende twari ko encourage abantu baito bonse Kenyoreke giaito na abande basometa abatari ase Kenyoreke engakiende na ndekera turarangeria ase ngechi yo muroberie kabiro yoiga bachama aso kubwaterana elinde toro ise school we nerebe one of the modern schools ase Nyamira.
Sawa. Okay.
On behalf of Nyakiore Primary Alumni, I'm the treasurer of the alumni. And I want to thank all stakeholders who have stood with us to make this day to be colorful. It's Mazingira Day. We have planted trees and we are able to give our students some gifts. We have some books and writing materials, and we have sanitary towels, and we have planted trees, more especially flower trees and fruit trees. And as you know, fruit trees are good for the good health of the students, and the trees in general, they are good for the good health of the environment. We welcome you all as we continue, and we hope this event is going to be colorful. Thank you.
What's your name? Jina
Majina. Oh, I am my name is Onduko Evelyn Mudoni. I was here back in the year 2001.
Asante.
Thank you.
Madam Mkuu.
Yes. School yetu. Tukateba tuarengeretie many other places to come but we settle which is school way. Na mbeye moko motivate abana baitu sabana bantu bagosomaga kobatebinga muntu wakurunya kure primary abe star school gali abana bali genko batromoya na kubase na kubatia nguvu ngabasome mono obo gimambule sikali obia igento kenda sing jaringa Mazingira Day tuachira sing nchuko simeke mete naiwa omungira bwe president ate abona babenga abantu bateko na chinko egere chinsana chiboro tate ko batenga gaki ali ogiri ko lya muikere chigasi kiri baratebete cheme atatu batolete na batatu amatemo yuko na chemete gose bono ya kwera bona yuko betiri tuna chemete asinge njunga ntu bwati option so ere gasi ya atatu Mr President wherever you are I told you can just hear me kindly toletere gasi yu ya atatu egato sige kona chemete metekine igenda kende tuacha iga wetani Mazingira Day turochege iga tutate kwenishwanga abana baito neke goliekeke Mazingira yobongo bwabo mbuyerete saleka ebinyogu byabukire ebinge so we want to tell our friends to asometa na barabwega abandi barasi amaruma abandi barasi madawa ya kulevya tocha muto tusaidiane asingi nchuski obogi moboiga otherwise school enene is a big school ko tuabweta iga ntu atikete secondary gari ngo kumoleka nyenge manyakore secondary na ereye na abana ba mi
Jamali Tankoro Kennedy ondo munyakomiti wesukuru yekure na ne arumi na ende kurwana akoreto mweri wa 1981 na arwete sukuru ora rong na beyo munyakomiti wesukuru paka bono iga kuruna injina ka korte sukuru abana ba chitega iyo unfortunately na beirende disabled a possibility oyo tari korora lakini a community yanjire kombe koyo mobo uno munya committee elinde to sire eskuru yaito ase twasomire twakore kurwa abana baito basomire na abana chiteki neke yokocha una arumina otwa bariganiri mono ainde bamenta abande to sire eskuru errekane eskuru yengenchenene into twabera baba skenyeye litukeli nene yogusimekemete neskuru yaitaro kane ko eyengenjo naende akorekana buya asikisemi na Mazingira yarorekana buya elinda mangana alia serikali yagoteba na intunto irana nyuma intutu abeira ando mwalimu monene abweskurwe na abanyakamati twariganirie ase bali bakire ase skurwe elinde kunyesira senjire neria kuna batikire goteba
okay
igombi mono naende mbia mono
asante buya kigima tabe brief muno yu abeire kabere igo incherenga mne
Como tu estás bem,
okay, pole.